Are you still dropping premium prices on big-name groceries that barely deliver more than a fancy label? If so, that ends today. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Kirkland Signature, Costco's powerhouse brand, to uncover 10 incredible items that will make you rethink those name brand purchases. Savvy Costco shoppers are already using these tips to beat inflation without sacrificing quality, flavor, or performance. Be sure to stick around for number 1. It's a product so loved that shoppers literally stockpile it every time it hits the shelves. Subscribe to Frugal Daily for weekly grocery hacks that actually make a difference, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a money-saving move. Alright, let's kick things off with a Costco classic, the Kirkland Signature Rotisserie Chicken. This isn't just any chicken, it's practically an institution. We're talking about a perfectly seasoned, incredibly juicy bird that's big enough to feed the whole family, all for under $5. You're not going to find a better deal for a quick and easy protein source, and that's why this chicken flies off the shelves. Think about it. You could spend double or even triple the amount on a smaller, less flavorful chicken from a traditional grocery store. Or you could grab one of these bad boys and have leftovers for days. Salads, sandwiches, soups, the possibilities are endless. And here's a pro tip: shred the leftover chicken and freeze it for later. You'll thank yourself when you have a quick and easy meal prep option on hand. Trust me, this chicken is more than just a meal. It's a strategic weapon in your fight against high grocery bills. But don't just take my word for it. Head down to your local Costco and see the crowds for yourself. So next time you're at Costco, do yourself a favor and grab one of these legendary rotisserie chickens. Now, let's talk about a product that's small in size, but big on value. Kirkland Signature AA and AAA batteries. If you're still buying those expensive name brand batteries, you're literally throwing money away. Independent tests and consumer reports have consistently shown that Kirkland batteries go toe-to-toe with the big boys in terms of longevity, power output, and shelf life. But here's the kicker. Kirkland batteries come in at almost half the price. That's right. You're getting the same performance for a fraction of the cost. Think about all the devices in your home that run on batteries. Remote controls, toys, smoke detectors, the list goes on. Those battery costs can really add up over time, especially if you're buying premium brands. But with Kirkland batteries, you can power all those devices without draining your wallet. It's a no-brainer, really. So ditch those overpriced name brand batteries and make the switch to Kirkland Signature. Your wallet will thank you. We all want clean clothes, but nobody wants to shell out a fortune for laundry detergent. The good news is you don't have to. Kirkland Ultra Clean Laundry Detergent is here to save the day and your budget. It delivers the same stain-fighting punch, grease-cutting power, and fresh, clean scent as those premium brands that charge an arm and a leg. But here's the difference. Kirkland does it at a fraction of the cost. We're talking serious savings here, people. And when you factor in how much laundry the average household does, those savings really start to add up. Put Kirkland Ultra Clean to the test yourself. Throw your dirtiest clothes at it, those grass-stained pants, those spaghetti-covered shirts, and see the difference. You'll be amazed by how well it cleans, and even more amazed by how much money you're saving. So next time you're at Costco, skip the aisle with those overpriced detergent brands and head straight for the Kirkland Signature section. Kirkland Almond Butter. Pure almond goodness. Alright. Let's talk about a pantry staple that can make or break your healthy eating habits. Almond butter. Now, I love a good almond butter, but some of those fancy brands out there are charging outrageous prices for what's essentially just ground-up almonds. That's where Kirkland Signature almond butter comes in. This stuff is the real deal, folks. It's made with just one ingredient, roasted almonds. No added sugar, no salt, no weird oils or fillers. Just pure, unadulterated almond goodness. And the best part? It's significantly cheaper than those fancy brands. Kirkland almond butter has a rich, creamy texture that's perfect for spreading on toast, dipping apple slices, or adding to smoothies. So ditch those overpriced almond butters and make the switch to Kirkland Signature. Kirkland paper towels, the heavyweight champion of cleanups. Let's face it, paper towels are one of those household essentials that we all go through like crazy. But if you're buying those flimsy, thin paper towels that fall apart after one swipe, you're not getting your money's worth. Kirkland Signature paper towels are in a league of their own. These things are thick, strong, and far more absorbent than most leading brands. We're talking about serious cleaning power here, folks. Spills, messes, you name it, Kirkland paper towels can handle it all. And because they're so absorbent, you'll use fewer sheets, which means those giant rolls will last you even longer. Kirkland paper towels are incredibly affordable, especially when you consider their quality and performance. So ditch those flimsy, overpriced paper towels and upgrade to Kirkland Signature. Kirkland Coffee, Starbucks quality, Costco price. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite morning pick-me-up coffee. If you're a fan of Starbucks, but not so much a fan of their prices, I have good news for you. Kirkland Signature House Blend. Coffee is roasted by Starbucks, but it's sold at a fraction of the cost. That's right, you're getting the same beans, the same quality roast, and that same rich, familiar aroma that you love, but without the Starbucks markup. Kirkland Signature House Blend. Coffee is perfect for those who prefer a classic, balanced flavor profile. It's smooth, flavorful, and never bitter, making it the perfect way to start your day. And because it's a Costco-sized bag, you'll have enough coffee to last you for weeks. So ditch those expensive coffee runs and brew your own delicious cup of joe at home with Kirkland Signature House Blend coffee. Alright, let's be real, we all need a little snack between meals sometimes, but if you're reaching for those sugary processed snacks, you're not doing your body any favors. That's why I love Kirkland Signature protein bars. These things are a game changer. Each bar is packed with more than 20 grams of protein, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. And the best part, they're actually good for you. They're low in sugar, so you don't have to worry about that sugar crash later. And they come in a variety of delicious flavors, so you're sure to find one you love. My personal favorite is the chocolate peanut butter. It tastes like a candy bar, but it's actually good for you. So next time you're hitting up Costco, stock up on Kirkland Signature protein bars. Now, let's talk about a breakfast staple that can really elevate your pancake game, maple syrup. But real maple syrup can be expensive. That's why I love Kirkland Signature organic maple syrup. This stuff is the real deal, folks, and it's a steal. It's made with 100% pure grade A maple sap, which gives it that rich, robust flavor that you just can't get from those imitation syrups. And it comes in a large glass bottle, which is a sign of quality. But here's the best part. Kirkland organic maple syrup is significantly cheaper than most other brands of real maple syrup, so ditch those imitation syrups and upgrade to Kirkland Signature organic maple syrup. A good olive oil is essential for any kitchen. It's the foundation of countless dishes, from salads to pasta to roasted vegetables. But if you're buying those cheap, low-quality olive oils, you're not doing your food or your body any favors. Kirkland Signature Extra Virgin Olive Oil is the real deal. It's cold-pressed from the first harvest of olives, which gives it that vibrant green-gold color, that smooth, buttery texture, and that fresh, peppery flavor that you want in a high-quality olive oil. And here's the kicker. Kirkland Extra Virgin Olive Oil consistently outperforms bottles that retail for $20 or more in blind taste tests. So ditch those overpriced olive oils and make the switch to Kirkland Signature. Meat makes everything better. But if you're buying that thin, watery meat that shrinks down to nothing in the pan, you're not getting your money's worth. Kirkland Signature meat is in a league of its own. We're talking thick-cut slices that hold their shape, deliver a deep, smoky aroma, and crisp up to perfection. It's the kind of meat you'd expect to find at a fancy butcher shop, but at a fraction of the price. And here's the best part. Kirkland Signature meat is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for breakfast, of course, but it's also amazing crumbled on salads, mixed into pasta dishes, or even baked into cookies. So ditch that cheap, disappointing meat and upgrade to Kirkland Signature. So there you have it, folks. 10 Kirkland Signature items that prove you don't have to sacrifice quality or flavor to save money. These are just a few of the many Kirkland gems waiting to be discovered at your local Costco. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these Kirkland gems are already in your kitchen, and which ones just made it onto your next Costco run? Drop your personal favorites in the comments below, and let's turn this into a real savings community. If you found even one new item you're excited to try, tap that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.